Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch S3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the quick panel. Once you open the quick panel, you should see a bunch of icons on it. One of them should look like the moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and if you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, and here you can tap on option, and the mode will be enabled. As you can see, the message DND is on appeared, and the icon, oh my bad, the icon changed the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you go to watch face, I believe, you will see the Do Not Disturb mode icon at the top, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, you can open the quick panel, tap on the icon again, you will see the message DND is off, and the icon from the watch face will disappear. Okay, and you can also use scheduled turned off and basically use the schedule for the watch, or rather for the Do Not Disturb mode. So for example, if you open the Do Not Disturb mode menu by tapping on the icon, we have options like turn on for 1 hour, turn on for 4 hours. If you tap on turn on for 1 hour, the Do Not Disturb mode will turn on and it will turn off automatically after 1 hour. And for the 4 hours option, it will stay on and then turn off after 4 hours. But we have also custom option. If you tap on custom, it will redirect you. And here we can enable the scheduled option. If you enable scheduled, we can set the schedule for our Do Not Disturb mode. And this allows us to basically set the Do Not Disturb mode to turn on at certain time and turn off at other time, basically certain hour. And this is helpful, for example, if you want to set it for your time when you're sleeping, so nobody will disturb you basically. And you can tap on the start time, and here you can change the time by swiping up and down, and then the end time like that. You can also enable the option to sync with the phone. So if you enable this option, your watch status, Do Not Disturb mode status, will be following your phone. So if you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on your phone, it will also turn on your watch. Okay, and once you're done, of course, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.